Hi everybody. So this is for the teachers that want to use this website, Sporkle. Sporkle is an amazing website that you can create many quizzes with it. So first, to create a quiz here, you have to go to create. First of all, you have to sign up with an email or something. And then you have to go to the create and put create a quiz. Then you have to give the quiz a name. I did it for the poem As I Grew Older, so I'm going to put it As I Grew Older. Then you have to put the quiz type, which is you can choose if it's classic, multiple choices, clickable, anything, picture click. I chose the multiple choices. Then you put create. Then here you can put the category, which is literature or English, but I think they have only literature. Then you go to options, to data, and you add a quiz. You add a question. You can write any question, like for example, does the poem As I Grew Older, I changed the question because my questions were about figurative languages. And so here I wrote a question. What figure of language is bright like a sun? Is it a metaphor? Is it a symbol? Is it a simile? Is it a personification? So it's a simile. So we'll put it as a simile. And we'll put save. You can here also, you can change the color so it comes in a different colors. It will be more like interesting. And you put save. And then you add more questions and then you put finish up to make the game and you don't make the game private, so it can be make it public so you can embed it or like give it to your students. And that's it. So this is the website. It's an amazing website. You can create as many quizzes as you want and it's free. Have fun.